Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, who I'm sure is going to cook something delicious.
Yes, but I'm not cooking. We're just assembling, Lil.
I like to assemble.
Me too. So this salad is called a grilled artichoke salad. Let me just start by introducing these ingredients because they're fantastic.
Okay.
Gigante beans. Look at the size of that bean.
Gigantic.
Right? That's exactly right. Grilled, marinated artichokes.
Oh.
Look at the grill marks.
Yes.
They come like that. I didn't grill it. These are roasted tomatoes, Lil. And they come just like that. This here is fennel. I just took a fennel bulb and I sliced it up. Green beans, all I did was I cut them in half, clipped the ends, and blanched it for a couple of minutes.
Perfect.
And these are fennel prawns. Really, I'm just gonna throw everything in. We're assembling, Lil. I'm gonna hit that with just a little bit of red wine vinegar. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more olive oil. Not too much salt because those ingredients have a lot of salt in them. But I am gonna hit it with a good amount of black pepper. We're gonna give it a nice little toss. And this salad, Lil, it'll hold for a few days.
Yeah.
So if you're having a barbecue or whatnot, this is the salad you want to go for.
I'm absolutely making this.
That's it, Lil. I'm done. And really, all you got to do is come here, pick up all the ingredients, and assemble. There's no cooking required.
Nothing.
Isn't that nice?
That's perfect. So if you want to make this for your next barbecue or just tonight, head to our website, news12.com. You'll find the recipe there. Giovanni, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, Lil.